Hey, welcome aboard. Today we're setting sail into one of the most iconic tales in human history. Yes, it's all about the legendary Titanic. Over a century ago, the Titanic embarked on its maiden and final voyage, leaving a mark that continues to linger in our collective memory. First off, let's talk about how this colossal ship was constructed. The Titanic was built in the Harland and Wolff shipyard in Belfast, Northern Ireland, with a length of about 269 meters and a weight of around 46,328 tons. It was truly a marvel of its time. Picture this: the Titanic's first journey commenced from the English shores of Southampton on April 10, 1912, bound for New York. Can you imagine the excitement and anticipation in the air as it set sail for the bustling city across the ocean? Now, when we think of the number of passengers aboard this grand vessel, it's mind-blowing. Approximately 2,224 souls, including passengers and crew, were part of this historic voyage. That's quite a crowd on one ship, isn't it? What made the Titanic stand out even more was its cutting-edge technology. Equipped with state-of-the-art features like a wireless communication system and watertight doors, it was a symbol of luxury and innovation on the high seas. Stepping back in time, we find that the Titanic was like a floating society, divided into three distinct social classes. The first class for the wealthy and famous, the second class for the middle-class travelers, and the third class for the workers and immigrants seeking a new life across the Atlantic. Fast forward to that fateful night of April 14, 1912, when the Titanic tragically collided with an iceberg in the icy waters of the North Atlantic. The impact set off a chain of events that would forever change the course of history. As water flooded the ship, it took around 2 hours and 40 minutes for the Titanic to sink after the collision. In those early hours of April 15, 1912, darkness enveloped this once magnificent vessel, sealing its fate beneath the frigid waves. The human toll of this disaster was heartbreaking. Out of over 2,224 people on board, only around 706 survived. The majority, including passengers and crew, succumbed to the freezing waters of the Atlantic, painting a harrowing picture of loss and survival. In the midst of this tragedy, the inadequate number of lifeboats on the Titanic played a crucial role. With only 20 lifeboats available, barely enough to rescue half the individuals on board, the rescue efforts were severely hampered, leading to further loss of life. Decades later, in 1985, the Titanic's wreckage was discovered at the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean at a depth of approximately 3,800 meters, serving as a haunting reminder of the events that unfolded that fateful night. Reflecting on the story of the Titanic, it's a poignant reminder of the importance of caution and respect for the forces of nature. Though it met a tragic end, the Titanic remains a powerful narrative that echoes the significance of cherishing life's journey and the tales woven within its depths. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the Titanic's past. Don't forget to subscribe for more captivating stories and hit that like button to show your support for our channel. Remember, stay curious, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next adventure. See you next time.